Hey Dreamers, this is Mike, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to do the print to cut for our latest bundle, the Befitting birthday cards. You guys have asked for additional captions and sentiments to be included in our cards, and I'm excited to say that this bundle we've included 13 captions for the floral birthday card and 11 for the diamond birthday card. So I'm going to show you how to do the print and cut for those. So for this example, I have the happy birthday from the floral birthday card already loaded onto my mat. The most important thing I want to stress before you start anything is just group this. By default, Silhouette Studio ungroups things. So you are going to want to make sure that you highlight everything, and let's just group that together. And that way nothing will get separated. Okay? So I'm going to go to my page setup over here to the right, and I'm going to change my media size to my paper, which I'm using 8.5 by 11. And then I'm going to go over here to the last little tab here, which is the registration marks, and I'm going to turn those on. And you just want to make sure that your image is in between these marks here. If you go back here to the page setup and you click that first tab, you can actually turn on the print border as well. However, the cut border is smaller, so you do want to make sure that you are within those red lines there. So at this point, you're ready to go. I can go ahead up here and do File, Print. And then I'm going to go ahead and click that print button and fill out all of my information for my printer and click print. Now once that's done, I can go up here to the send button in the top right. And this is another important factor. We don't want anything to cut on the inside, so we are going to click that cut edge button, which is down here. We're just going to click cut edge. Make sure that this is highlighted. I just clicked on it to highlight it. And now I can go ahead and click cut edge, and you're going to see that it just cuts that circle out. All right, so now I have some of the captions from the diamond birthday card on my mat. And again, the first thing I'm going to do is just right click everything and group it. And again, I'm going to change my paper size to 8.5 by 11. Make sure that this is in the middle. And I'm going to turn on again those registration marks. Again, at this point, I can do File, Print, and I'm going to print that. And once that's done, again, I can go up here to the Send button. And again, we want to make sure that you highlight this image, so you make sure that everything's highlighted. And then I can go over here and do Cut Edge, and you'll see that just that diamond is being cut. Not the individual words. And at this point, everything looks like it's within those settings, so we're good to go. And you can just go ahead and click send.